UAZ 469 is one of the most iconic and rugged off-road vehicles ever built, a true symbol of Soviet-era engineering designed for endurance, simplicity, and utility. Produced by the Ulanovska automobile plant in Russia, it first appeared in the early 1970s and quickly became famous across the world for its toughness in the harshest conditions. It was primarily made for the Soviet Army, used by military officers, border guards, and engineers, but it also found wide use in agriculture, forestry, rescue services, and even expeditions in remote regions. What makes the UAZ 469 unique is not luxury or speed, but its sheer capability to go anywhere and survive anything. The UAZ 469 is built on a simple ladder frame chassis, which gives it incredible strength and the ability to handle rough, uneven terrain. The suspension system is designed for durability, with solid axles and leaf springs that can withstand heavy loads and deep potholes. This vehicle was made to move through mud, snow, sand, and rocky hills without getting stuck. Its high ground clearance and short overhangs allow it to climb steep slopes and cross rivers with ease. The design may look basic, but it is perfectly functional. Every part has a purpose, and nothing is there for decoration. The exterior of the UAZ 469 has a very straightforward and utilitarian look. The body is made of metal panels that are easy to repair, and the paint, usually olive green or military camouflage, resists scratches and weather damage. The front of the vehicle features two round headlights, a simple metal grille, and a strong black bumper that can handle impacts or serve as a mounting point for tools or ropes. The side profile shows its boxy shape with flat doors and wide windows, which provide excellent visibility in rough environments. The rear section usually has a spare tire mounted on the door, reflecting its military roots. The overall shape and stance of the vehicle give an impression of strength and readiness for any challenge. The interior of the UAZ 469 is very simple, with functionality prioritized over comfort. The dashboard is made of metal with analog instruments, switches, and levers that can be operated even while wearing gloves. The steering wheel is large and strong, suitable for off-road control. There are no luxury materials like leather or soft plastic. Everything is practical and easy to clean. The seats are firm and basic, covered with durable fabric or lining. This minimalism makes sense, because the vehicle was meant for soldiers, explorers, and workers who needed reliability, not luxury. Even in modernized versions, the UAZ retains its rugged and straightforward interior philosophy. Under the hood, the UAZ 469 originally came with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine that provided enough power for rough terrain and heavy loads. Though not particularly fast, the engine was easy to repair and maintain even in the field. Mechanics could fix it using basic tools, which was crucial in remote areas with no service stations. Later versions improved engine efficiency and emissions, but the spirit of simplicity remained the same. The 4-wheel drive system is part-time, which means the driver can switch between 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive depending on conditions. This helps save fuel when driving on normal roads while offering maximum traction in difficult terrain. The UAZ 469 also has a strong cultural significance. For decades, it has been a symbol of the Soviet Union's engineering approach, durable, reliable, and built to serve practical purposes rather than comfort. In many countries, the UAZ became known as an unbreakable machine, capable of reaching places where modern SUVs can never go. It is widely exported to Eastern Europe, Asia, Africa, and even Latin America. In remote villages, mountains, and deserts, people still use old UAZ models today because they are easy to repair and nearly impossible to destroy. Its reputation as a go-anywhere vehicle made it legendary among adventurers and off-road enthusiasts. Driving the UAZ 469 feels like a connection to a different era. The steering is heavy, the ride is bumpy, and the cabin is noisy, but all these elements are part of its character. You can feel every vibration and hear every sound of the engine working hard, which gives a raw and mechanical experience that modern cars often lack. The vehicle demands skill and respect from its driver. You have to know how to handle it, how to shift gears at the right moment, and how to control it on steep trails. Once you learn it, the UAZ rewards you with unmatched dependability and a sense of confidence on any surface. Modern versions of the UAZ 469, now called the UAZ Hunter, maintain much of the original design but come with small upgrades such as better seats, improved brakes, and more efficient engines. Still, the vehicle looks almost identical to the original, proving how timeless its design is. Collectors and military enthusiasts appreciate the model for its authenticity, while travelers use it for expeditions in Siberia, Mongolia, and Central Asia. Its boxy body and simple mechanical systems continue to make it one of the most serviceable and reliable off-road vehicles in existence. The UAZ 469 is more than just a car. It represents endurance, simplicity, and purpose. It may not offer luxury or speed, but it offers something far more valuable: trust. It is the kind of machine that will get you home no matter where you are, even if you are hundreds of kilometers away from civilization. In the world of off-road legends, few vehicles have achieved such status. The olive-green UAZ 469, with its military roots and unstoppable character, remains a living